My name's Nick Yannicus and we got our solar system installed start of spring 2023. Solar was part of a bigger thing for me about decarbonising our home, using less fossil fuels, being more resilient from a grid in the sense of being less reliant. There was financial reasons. I mean, we did want to know what the financial reasons were, so being the engineer in me, I want to know the justifications around that. But the big thing about that is investing early. The earlier you invest, the faster you get payback. And as a young family, I guess at the time, we wanted to do it as part of a journey with our kids. So why did I choose Christchurch Solar? I found Tom and Molly particularly just easy to deal with. They're good people. When they went through designs, when they went through what the options were, they were prepared to sit down with us. They treated us as humans. And you want to work with people like that. You want to deal with people like that. The installation process was actually really good. From having stuff arrive on site and store it on site. Again, Tom and Molly are really good. They communicated well with us. They set our expectations really well. We knew when they were going to come. They came when they said they were going to come, they had it planned in. You can't fault the communication from them, and that makes working with people easy, particularly when you chose them based on people in the first place. It is nice to have that validated as a human that there are good people to work with out there. What started off as very much an environmental project for myself turned into the whole family ordeal. We've changed how we lived, and we've done that quite sustainably in a way. How we do washing, how we charge cars, how we charge our hot water, everything. Young kids learning about stuff like that, they talk to their friends, and it's been fun. Yeah, so we've used the Tesla app quite a lot, and we use it mainly to try and see what's happening with our system and monitor it and look at it and get competitive with yourself as a family to keep improving in what you're doing, so it makes it easy to do more in a way with your system. It's been fun with the kids because the kids have got to learn as kids about environmental changes and how we can make a difference, and how, in a way, easy it is to change how you live and act to make a difference for this world. What would I do differently next time? I regret not doing it earlier, really. I've had the benefit, seen the benefit, and if I'd have done it sooner, it would have been paying itself off and it would have been money in the bank for me. But also I would have learnt more, would have been earlier in my family's journey. The thought process of it should be, how much do I do, not if I should do it. And that's part of the journey of what you can do and afford.